Today you'll take your vocabulary quiz for week 11 in Language Arts. Be sure to put your name and your class number at the top of the page. Here are the words that we're going to focus on this week. I'm going to read them by columns. In the first column, thwart. In the second column, bulletin. In the third column, we have dynamic, stifle, and limber. In the fourth column, we have porous and enamor. In the fifth column, perturb. In the sixth column, awry. And in the seventh column, felon. Number 1 is a verb. It means to stop or prevent. Number 2 is a verb. It means to inspire with love or captivate someone. Number 3 is an adjective. It means flexible or to exercise to get more limber. Number 4 is an adjective. It means energetic and forceful. Number 5 is an adjective. It means twisted or turned, or it can also mean wrong, something's wrong or amiss. Number 6 is an adjective. It means filled with holes. Number 7 is a verb. It means to hold back. Number 8 is a noun, which is and it's a person convicted of a serious crime. Number 9 is a noun. It's a brief announcement of public interest, a small publication that's published regularly. Number 10 is a verb. It means to make uneasy or to upset. For numbers 11 through 15, choose any 5 of the vocabulary words from this week's list, and on the back of the page, write each one in a sentence that shows you know the meaning of the word in context. Not write a definition of a word. Use the word in context. Choose 5 words that you're confident that you know the correct definition to. And then don't forget to underline each vocabulary word and use capitalization at the beginning of the sentence and punctuation at the end.